Dude, I'm telling you, this guy's been my buddy forever. She has more guns than I ever see in my life. There's guns in the truck all the time. We see a fucking wildlife, fucking boom, we're hitting the fucking ditch going to the field, and he's handing me a gun and he's driving. So his dad got pulled over for a Dewey, and he was hammered. So when he did, because of my crime, chopping buddy with a meat cleaver.
You got the same fucking thing going on.
His dad's a legend. He's a bit of a legend. He's been my buddy forever. We used to rent we used to make booze every fucking week. Vodka fucking ripping. Balls. Well. How about the window fucking missing the cocksucker? Balls.
Oh, okay.